Yenti Sequence anywhere. Near Fansamo and Fa Emerald B. I know your national teams, no one some club issues, Kakaso, the Bremer Quino, near Twasimna, ya Diabram, one was sending one self, so AC at 10. Yes, I say, yes, I say, na Yemfa Enfi, the Ghana Olympic Committee president in Zambia. What they are to Asia. Then you know what you my machine list for Roberto Johnny Akasi Ebehu, says sports minister Dimum, sports and recreation minister. Why any demand a yepentam anytime? We are in a hurry. As I say, who the future of the Black Stars coach. Black Stars coach is to ministry, any FN committee, Pam na ministry just to Tianaka. Is a minister from Maya. Want to me and Kegyiwa will top our Sami Pamanutama and Congo. I transport sports and recreation minister and Penny for Dintam. But list a buyer, who sports and recreation minister. I have something which is there. I don't know. The Ghana Olympic Committee president Ben Nunu Mensah, Adi Samatuja, Edi Wande Sonko Ama the National Democratic Congress. Any president Robert Naso say, Minister from Babe Yino, Mani now. Mani now, Sansa, the Aka minister, football, other sporting disciplines, never.
Heard and see ministers who come in. I'm going to be a minister for all sports. Eventually, our attention and the demands of the time would eventually direct the minister to focus more on football. And that is something that I'm sure the National Democratic Congress would want to guard against, or would very, very much would wish that, whoever is put there as a minister don't eventually get swallowed by the football wind that usually blew all our ministers. If we do that, the other sporting discipline will have enough funding.
GOC president Ben Nunu Mensah and somebody to Janona. Yeah, can say no near Black Stars with the Kanka so Toado the future there something which is the executive council of the Ghana Football Association meeting. I just say wiki meeting about when we are not chairman who last. Since half con boy and me qualifying no. You want to or San Tuaso the Yakuba World Cup qualifier. Henry Asante Chumka Sama the Ghana Football Association or confirm it. Say get executive council better say you better papa in the future.
Oh yeah, the presentation. We recall and almost discussing the details of what he came to present. Any certain areas are almost feels a concern. Player management, tactics, call up, a whole lot. Intimate to me in fact will be facial expression and an attitude or them who enjoy nudging and answer any motive and any view. But what I know is that maybe I'm any day another kosono. Obia or them obia ekasai. Obia the nudging and any trimopo etuja. Eventually they didn't take a decision. But I say to almost defer meeting, I'm hoping the next meeting when they reconvene, there will be firm decisions in certain areas of interest. Almost GD is a very improved technical team.
Right, and already a Harry Santichum, Wanokasama, the Ghana Football Association, what the two yes, Quambiasono, meeting on Messa Trust, if you know, near who's a future Nico say, and I say a court say. Now, if you name a Pimo Club issues, Kaka, now, yes, shall say, if you metema, Kumasia Sante Korokwakachi.
Adom Sports, number one.
Weekend, they tell me, and a first round of the Ghanaian Premier League, the banner, now, you know to say yes, a bien will be on the beer, a bit so frocosronia, dia, na Bakwa or the Obadom Kotokwe or San Fan to my perfect Bogos no Afani boot to no Bogum Pano Kwame Pokuna Ultimate says Kwame Bano what chess experience war so far goes no Koye our Bogumunity Pa Nano Kragu game or last game on boy and son of movie Maggie 17 or Sambo go na coach or no Echo Jima Koroko Prosper Tegum Upper Brighton about chess or Baye Papa they say sending in a triple more Boguno Wamana Kaimbella. Oh, mana kaim bella pa those now bella boni goes no.
He's been amazing. He's been able to integrate into the team with ease. His confidence in the team, his composure in the team. I mean, his contribution up the field, trying to make sure that there is a lot of humor, a lot of laughter in the team. Trying to encourage everybody at training that, hey guys, when you go out there, what the coach is doing here are exactly the things that when you go out there you see. So he's a photocopy of him. He's a replica of him. I mean, in terms of goal scoring. Mbella is a killer. Opoku too has those instincts. He knows where he's in front of goal. Even though he missed a few chances that he could have scored, but those are typical of marksmen. Sometimes they miss so obvious opportunities that you expected them to score. So to me, he's a photocopy of Mbella.
He is a photocopy of Mbella. Prosper Neteogu, head coach. Metema Kumasi Asante Koroko Yeka Kocho de Bena Kocho and a place with the no Yeka Kotoko Semono Epacho na science Nigusu Koso for Frabe Tomo Daniel Adrian Ajete Adrian Asia Kaya Diama Nani Apenko Piemo Brutre Demak Moto Moko Namuka Krania de Ne Kotoko 1.5 years no Bojmana be Bietma Kwe de Makotoko Yes for the copy of the Kum Chelsea for catching our coach and the day Adi Kofi Yesu aka Samabodu and what to be the referee Mauli crew as a Mauli crew onyade now no want to be jam now so ball I am a dear man for come you know media timu ba ko no say referee be gina mu no person ya no pie game no na say ni edi game organa dia and as Ghana football to me fan to pan France na person fan friend no referee gina mu na bobo ben rough say dey wushi jama no
just make the Chelsea team got a lot of mistakes. Because you saw it, you are here, you saw it, you saw the officiating. If you keep officiating, how do you expect the players to play good football? It's really bad. If a player go for ball, when there's a penalty, disallowed. But opponent, when there's no contact, you are right there. He said he saw it, but he didn't see our penalty. And look at how they throw their hands and allow them without cards. And whenever Brooklyn Chelsea player approach in there, there's a card. How can you officiate such a game and taking such a dubious penalty for the opponent? Can you officiate this matches around other centers? It's really bad. And I'm not in for me. I don't talk much about officiating, but this time around there, I will complain. I don't mind. I'll complain. They should change their mind to be positive mind and officiate the game so that we can get it.
Way and then Sama Boadu, head coach Adema Brekum Chelsea on the two granty. We the idea they open for Befreno. Actually, Nim Kakra, by Hessen and so on some ABC Aquania, but Nisi also so than what to move. And I'm coming get already. One of those that the coach can and crepa of one so pa. The reference and yet.
Much is that 5 years face the same problems in person account. Or no Canada and doesn't be the account and any other. No new or question national account. The matches and call from no about Friday. No Yasa problems over a boy fake up a bowie, Lauconin or Bonhomo. No, they found a command. So, command 5 matches. I don't know you can know that teacher. The national camp apart from any bit more about Friday. Apart from any house of book, no new. Yane, James. No, and we now had the whole week. On to there 4 or 5 matches there. Meaning I'm not up Friday on head and active.
Well, Obada Ketia, Nana Kwame Ketia, then somebody to Drano, Chilibon say, Kwambia, so coach in the Buafuno, anyway, credit to football. Nano Barba could be on board and Koan Cobetonsa. The reference now, man, say, Ria no be Ria Mopania, Dadia. Sanusumami and UEFA Champions League. And Yasam Ketu Muading. Espana Aston Villa, Atalanta ne Stamgrass, Atletico de Madrid ne Bayer Leverkusen, Benfica and Barcelona ne Bologna ne Borussia Dortmund, Club Brugge ne Juventus, Rest Up Belgrade ne PSV Eindhoven, Liverpool ne Lille, Slovan Bratislava and Stuttgart and Airport. Europa League game back we be yefio Galatasaray and Dynamo Kiev. We and Sanya and Sam City and Nano Pay so Yatanasia. And I brought sports page 1 so FPAC BX tablets and Ponsefa or the can on some FPAC on Yabako BX tablets moja bedroom for Sunny MTN everywhere you go my MTN app on only so App Store Play Store download the good phone so something there so and they say na ye use so Betway for the love of the game Betway nya twankwa dia be di twabi di na ye be di a long bet na tumu dada woni Betway group na brem patro Betway say me kan chew say akwanya say obetimi dia di na ye bebre say obedi wo mo ena wo mo pe enye say omo ebedi enti na Betway aba say for the love of the game Betway some to na asore pa na ye kan say na bodan so ye DBS Industries Limited sikani ho eti bodan so boni ye na nche DBS almost say be boss o free. You don't like this one, what do you like? DBS Yadamasiensa. DBS can one pay Yadin Sabno every war. Sports page 1 and the West you never transfer sports page 2 and so every war. Right time and Raphael, Professor Wallace, and of course the man Bernard Paddy Boutre. One more on the can one pay Yadin Sabno at the Ebra. Let's go but soon. It didn't shame what the count and I had a be any moment as they say. It's in your wonderful. Let's come next to Shane or the Gabon pay. Have a buy. Yana Kaid Nankasa Kegyiwa. Eric Asiedu Boadi. There was he, because what he just on some.